Hello my fashion friends, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. So for today's video, I just want to hop on here really quick and show you guys a couple new pieces that I got. Now I don't know about you guys, but I am so super duper excited for this new Black Panther movie that's coming out. I think the cast is great. It's a predominantly black cast. I think that says a lot for the movie industry, and it really shows that they're kind of starting to embrace us a little bit more. I know that it's already broken some records for pre-order sales. I'm just hoping that the movie can really live up to the hype, because as a Nigerian myself, I want to go and represent and come through for my people, you know, show up for my people. So hopefully that movie does really well. But anyways, a company called Dionu, I think that's how you say it, reached out to me for a collaboration. They want to send me some clothes to try on, and I thought it was great because that company actually has a lot of African tribal print clothes. They have dresses, they have skirts, they have pants, jumpsuits, rompers, jackets, they have midi dresses, maxi skirts. And so that whole like Nigerian African print is really on trend right now. So I was like, yeah, I'll do it. You know, I'm Nigerian, let me represent for my people. You know. So here is one of the dresses actually. So what's really cool about this dress is that it is very stretchy, so it will really accommodate a lot of body types, because if you're familiar with the African print, a lot of the material is not stretchy. Now some of the clothes on their websites aren't stretchy, like the maxi skirts and stuff, but like this dress is really stretchy. It fits me really well. This is in a size small, and I just love the print on it. It just has a quarter sleeve right here, so it's really great. It has a lot of really nice coverage. The neckline is really beautiful, really modest, and I just love the blue and the yellow and the black. It just looks really sexy, really rich. So I love it, and it's really soft too. It has a lot of weight to it, so it has really good quality. So I picked a midi dress. Y'all know I love midi dresses. So here is the midi dress here. It just hugs my curves really nicely. I love this dress. One really cool feature is that it has pockets. So if you wanted to kind of put some things here, you could. I mean, I wouldn't, because it would add bulk to this dress. But I mean, you can always put your hands in here if you get a little cold or something. But I thought this was a really cool feature though. So yeah, I mean, what do y'all think? I really like this dress, and I know it might be cheesy, but I'm gonna wear one of these to the premiere when I go, like not the premiere, but like when I go watch, so I can represent. So I'm thinking about wearing one of these pieces to the movie. So, and I think this would be a really great piece to wear, just to kind of show up for my people, you know. So here is the first dress that I got. I will have all the information listed down below for you guys. The website information, the prices, the name of this dress, the whole nine. But I think you are really going to like this. This is in a size small. The back zipper just kind of looks like that. It has kind of a dip in the back here to showcase some of your back, which is really sexy. And so the zipper just zips all the way up, and then it has a hook and eye at the very top. So here's the first dress. What do y'all think? I think it looks great, you guys. Like, I love this dress. Throw on some sandals, some strappy sandals, and I'm good to go. Like, seriously. So this one is really cute. Okay, so here is the next skirt. It's a high-waisted mini skirt with a slit down the side. Love this skirt. It's so comfortable. Y'all know me. I am a midi bodycon girl, so this is right up my alley. I love the print on this skirt as well. I think it's really nice and traditional. This one doesn't have any pockets on it, but it is still a really cute skirt. It is the same material, stretchy. This is in a size small, and this fits me perfectly, you guys. So if you have kind of my similar build, this will fit you just right in a size small. I just went ahead and added a belt just for some added, you know, pizzazz, just to kind of take it up a notch. But you don't have to add the belt if you don't want to. I just paired it with a white top because I felt the top, I didn't want to take away too much from the print on the skirt. So the white is a really nice complement without taking the attention away from the skirt. And so here is the little slit that it has just right here. It's really cute, you guys. I'm not sure how long this company has been around, but everything has been superb. All the communication was really nice with the customer service person. Obviously, I'm not sure how long shipping takes because it was sent to me, but from when I spoke with her, it only took about 3 to 4 days to get to me, so not long at all. But overall, I actually do really like it. I'm trying to decide which one I should wear to the movies. I need your guys' help. Should I wear the first dress, or should I wear this outfit, this skirt? I think it would be this outfit that I would wear. So let me know. I'm curious. I think I'm leaning more towards this outfit right here because I just love, like, this is really just right up my alley, this whole entire thing right here. So let me know, should I wear the first blue dress, or should I wear this outfit right here to the movies when I go with my husband? And I think my husband is also going to wear some traditional clothes. And if you don't know me, my husband is white. And when we did our traditional wedding, he wore like a lot of the, not a lot, but he wore the Nigerian, attire, and he looks so hot, you guys, in that. So he might wear that too, just so we can like really represent. But anyways, so this is a really great company. I'm gonna list all the details, like I said, down below. You can also check them out on Instagram. They have a lot of photos there on Instagram. And they just have a lot of really nice pieces. Hopefully you guys like these and have a look. Just have a look, see. If you're kind of into the tribal print, I think this would be a really great starting point for you. They have a lot of nice pieces there. So go ahead and give it a try. See what you like. So yeah, so let me know which one I should wear to the movies. I'm curious to hear your opinion. I just want to be festive, you know what I mean? And really show up for my people. But hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you found that you enjoyed this video, of course, I'm going to ask you, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I sure would love to have you join my fashion family. I do a lot of fashion and styling videos on my channel. You will definitely learn a lot. So please subscribe and go ahead and click that notification bell as well, so that you're notified every single time I upload a brand new video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, please come back in a timely fashion.